Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial I'm going to show you guys on how to hopefully resolve the Call of Duty being stuck in the server queue screen. So if it says the servers are experiencing high volume, you have been entered into the queue and we will be placed into a game shortly. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu, and dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung CMD or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt, and then kailangan mo lang mag right click and select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then i-click mo lang dito yung yes. And dito sa administrator command prompt ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na ipconfig //DNS. So kailangan mo lang i-type yung command keyword na ipconfig //DNS. Yung //DNS ay one word yan, and then press mo lang yung enter. At makikita mo na dito na successfully flash the DNS resolver cache. And next command keyword na kailangan natin i-type. So i-type mo lang at enter mo lang yung command keyword na NATSH space WNSAC space reset. Ayan, so kailangan mo lang i-type yung command keyword na NATSH space WNSAC space reset, and then press mo lang yung enter. At makikita mo ulit dito yung successfully reset the WNSAC catalog. You must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. So ang next step, so close lang natin yan, and then dito lang sa start menu at kailangan lang natin mag-restart. Okay, so click mo lang dito yung restart. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix Warzone stuck on the lobby on your PC. Can't join lobby fix for COD Warzone. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.